The video, I got a question from somebody in my Discord. If you do not know, join my private Discord. Well, you can't join my private Discord. The only way you can do that is if you get WHD Academy, which is a monthly membership. You know what I'm saying? Just $1 a day. Let me go ahead and show y'all that since we done start talking about it really quick. I might as well, right? Hey, let me just go ahead over here and show you the course. All right, so this is everything you get. Anyway, welcome back to another video. I got a question, and the question says, if a car is listed as it doesn't run and drive, how do you decide if you would gamble on it? First of all, if a car is listed as run and drive, I most likely would not gamble on it. All right, I most likely would not gamble on a car that does not run and drive. If it says it does not run and drive, I probably personally would not mess with it. I personally do not have the space to just keep cars around that don't run, that's just sitting around. You know what I mean? Like I don't got that type of space. You know what I mean? So. And plus, I don't want, like, I'm not a parts seller. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to sell parts off of it. You know what I'm saying? All my cars have to be able to move around. Now, the only way that I would probably buy something that said it didn't run and drive is maybe if it was like a stolen Hyundai Sonata or something like that. Y'all know the Hyundai boys. What they call them? Sonata boys? Hyundai boys. Yeah, I think that's what you call them. The Hyundai boys, you know what I'm saying? They stealing people's stuff. They breaking the ignitions and stuff like that. So I might, but me personally, I personally do not buy cars that says do not run and drive. Can you look up and them cars run? Yes, I hear stories all the time. Me, I just choose not to go that route. I just rather have all my cars drive. You know what I mean? It's less of a gamble for me personally, right? So that's just how I feel about that. A lot of people may feel differently. They call NOPs, you know what I'm saying? So a lot of people may buy NOPs and feel comfortable buying NOPs, you know what I mean? Which is cars that do not run and drive. Me personally, no. You know what I'm saying? If it don't crank, you know what I mean? I got a problem buying a car if I got to give it a jump box sometimes. You know what I mean? It just all depends. And again, if you want to know more about my tips, tricks, and techniques, it's in the academy. Also, I have the easiest and the fastest way for you to get your license and auction access. You ain't got to worry about your credit history, your criminal history, nothing like that. wehustledaily.com. Just grab that monthly membership. Let me actually go back to that because maybe I should. Yeah, here we go. So appreciate you guys for tuning in. Just a short video. You know, how would I decide to gamble on a car if it did not run and drive? I wouldn't. All right. It's your boy Ray, WHD Academy. Peace.
wehustledaily.com monthly membership for as little as 30 cents to $1 a day. Join my academy if you're interested in learning how to properly inspect cars, learn all my tips and tricks, and learn the easiest and the fastest way to get your auction license, no matter what state you in and without having an actual car lot. And we also do monthly giveaways. The link is in the description below.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.